Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news the bears are stirring in the absence of major economic data releases to counter them. Janet Yellen is testifying before Congress today, and there seems to be no surprises in this. A few news outlets are trying to make a big deal about subpar economic growth, but in fact she has maintained a positive tone about second quarter growth tracks. But there are reasons to be concerned about American growth. Hiring is slowing, car sales are slipping, business investment is drooping, and company profits are stagnating. Together, these are all classic signs of an economic downturn. But does that mean a recession is coming? At this point, that seems unlikely. The essential point is the health of the American economy is the core that keeps the international economic juices flowing. It has an outsized influence on everything, and certainly everything related to New Zealand, even if through other economies like Australia, China and Japan. Today, equities on Wall Street are higher, reacting little to the Yellen testimony. There seems to be no shifts in the Brexit polling to report. Remain looks likely. But if they do leave, expect the US dollar to rise strongly, pushing down the US dollar price of most commodities, including dairy. And later this morning, we'll get local data on migration and tourism for May. That will show whether we have topped out in the long-term migration or this is just still building. Will almost certainly show that tourism industry is having a banner year. Impressive because it seems to be immune to the level of the currency. But these days, apart from agricultural commodities, most trade seems to have the same immunity. Perhaps it is a sign our economy has transitioned away from the commodity roots. In New York, the benchmark US Treasury 10-year yield extended its rises and this morning is up a further 2 basis points to 1.69%. However, the oil price is slipping today. The US benchmark is now just under $49 a barrel and the Brent benchmark is just over $50 a barrel. Gold is down even more, losing $20 an ounce so far, and is currently $1,270 an ounce. And finally, the New Zealand dollar starts today stronger yet again at 71.4 US cents, 95.5 Aussie cents, and at 63.4 Euro cents. The TWI is at 74.4. This is a level it was back in June 2015. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.